Welcome to our channel, Fruity Truth. Today I will give you complete knowledge about peaches. Content of video will be: what is background of peaches? How many possible colors of peaches? Where peaches found most? Health benefits of peaches. Which is best time to eat peaches? Tips for enjoying peaches? So start video. Background of peaches. The name peach comes from the Latin word persica, reflecting the belief that the fruit came from Persia, Iran, where it was introduced to Europe by ancient trade routes. Peaches are believed to have originated in China over 4,000 years ago. They were very important to Chinese emperors and often linked to living forever in Chinese stories. Color and appearance. Peaches are known for their fuzzy skin. They become suitable for eating when peaches are reddish-orange. The flesh inside can be white, yellow, or even red, depending on the variety. Their beautiful color and sweet aroma make them a popular choice for desserts and snacks. Where peaches are found. Today, peaches are grown worldwide. The top producers include China, Italy, Spain, and the United States, especially in states like California, Georgia, and South Carolina. These regions offer the warm climate and well-drained soil that peaches need to thrive. Health benefits of peaches. Peaches are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Rich in vitamins. They are high in vitamins A and C, which are important for skin health and immune function. Good for digestion. Peaches contain dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and prevents constipation. Low in calories. A medium peach has only about 60 calories, so it's a snack or breakfast you can eat without worrying. Hydrating. Composed of about 89% water, peaches help keep you hydrated. Best time to eat peaches. The best time to eat peaches is in the morning or as a mid-morning snack. Eating them on an empty stomach can enhance digestion and allow your body to absorb the nutrients more efficiently. They are also great before or after a workout for a quick energy boost. However, eating peaches at any time of the day can still offer numerous health benefits. Tips for enjoying peaches. Fresh and ripe. Choose peaches that are firm but yield slightly to pressure. They should have a sweet fragrance. Versatile uses. You can eat peaches by themselves, put them in salads, blend them into drinks, or bake them in treats. Storage. Keep unripe peaches at room temperature. Once ripe, store them in the refrigerator to extend their freshness. In short, peaches are a versatile and nutritious fruit with a rich history and widespread cultivation. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, in a recipe, or as part of a balanced diet, peaches offer a delightful way to boost your health and satisfy your taste buds. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about peaches and want to discover more fascinating facts about fruits and healthy eating, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our delicious content. See you in the next video.